Raisi.
This is me, Zia.
And here again to
Another
another
vlog.
So, bago tayo simula sa aming i-talk about, we're gonna be, please like and subscribe to our channel. So, let's go to what are we talking about.
So, diba guys, ka-challenge mo to sila, iyang mama no, nga, sila sabi og Sophia kay mid, nga ang ilang mga boyfriend guys, kay kuan amo nila, so loy kay si sabi guys, nga si Sophia wa ni tabang. So, I hope is si sabi nga mag-reach siya. Ikaw sa Joyce.
And kanang, what if guys nga I want to watch that. What if nga Sabi is rich, but Sophia
is poor.
yes is made.
Yes.
And then the boys, which is the Science Space girlfriend, it's gonna be what it's talking about, it's gonna be just nothing about, but just Sabi and Sophia, guys. I like that. So the Sabi is rich, guys, and Sophia is poor. So I hope
Yes.
I'm gonna watch that. This is super generous. Just payback time to Sophia, because Sophia is super cheating.
Yes, pero I'm love Sophia because she is basta ganun na.
I love Sabi and Sophia, but I love Sophia, of course. I love Sabi too, but
Because
basically
Sophia
Sophia is cheating. But
Yes.
that's okay, because that's a content, guys. So just please like and subscribe to our channel, guys, because I like being a super creator, and you
yes.
you. So bye, guys.
Wait lang, guys.
What?
Sorry, Sophia. Bye.
So bye,
Bye,
guys.
Like
See you.
and comment.
See you in another video. So bye.
Bye.